to make the lightning arrow. Just follow the tutorial step by step. No more waiting, let's get started. Let's start with the preparation first. Note that you need to be in creative to do this, and have operator on you, but if you're the host then never mind. First do this command. All the command are in the description, so you can just easily copy paste it. I already have the tag, so don't mind this. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Now do this command to get a command block. Then get some lever in your inventory. You can find it in the bed logo. And then scroll down and get the lever. Then put a command block and put the level where you can see the box. After that, put two more blocks like this, and in top of that too. It should look like this. Make sure that yours look like this. It's really important. Now go to the description and copy paste the number 1 command block. Start with the. You can skip to 255 if you don't want to know how each command works. The first command do is to mark the arrow. I make it 6 radius because it can't detect a full charge valve. Because it is 6 radius, you can affect every arrow within it, even dispenser. Note even skeletons. The second command do is to summon lightning bolts when the arrow stops flying through the air. This take really long time, so a like would really help a lot. The third command clears the arrow so it would stop spamming the lightning bolt and not make your device lag. The fourth command electrified the enemy near to it or by 6 radius. And the fifth one will clear the arrow to stop the lag too. If you're wondering why it have in my command, it's because I tested first, then I put in the command block. It's now done, and remember to make it in order, like this, so you don't get confused. Paste the first command here, then the second one here, and put the others command as you can see in your screen. Make sure that you paste it right. 5 is optional. I recommend to turn this on. But if you have a great phone processor, it's your choice if you want to turn this on. Now make the first command, and the second a repeat. Now make the third one repeat conditional and always active. Put the fourth one in repeat. Now the fifth one, like the third one, repeat, conditional, and always active. After that you're done. Let's now test it if it works. It works. Now let's test it on enemies. Gonna make them stop moving first. As you can see, with 5th command on, the arrow will be stopped and not make your phone ring. And here's what will happen if it's off. As you can see, .it will burst the enemy with lightning. Here's with all 5. And here's with on number 5. It will attack all enemy in a radius of 6. that's about it. If you did it correctly, it will work. And now for lazy people but have a great phone. Place a command block and put it on repeat. Then paste the command in the description. Make sure you did the third command before doing this. I'm serious. Make sure you make the third command and connect it to the command block or else you'll lag. Note that this will lag your phone. If you make it, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Comment arrow if you made it this far. Have a great day and keep safe everyone. What you still doing here?